Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Snowflake Ice Machine, a high-capacity shaved ice maker which is designed for both commercial settings and serious home users. So if you want to check this product out, the link is in the description. So the Snowflake Ice Machine is built with a high-performance compressor and air cooling system that chills quickly in under 30 seconds. With a daily output of up to 485 pounds, it clearly designed for the restaurants, dessert shops, events, and high demand environments. The body is made from the stainless steel, including the food grade components for a blade and roller. That means durability, rust resistance, and food safety. One of its biggest strengths is the versatility. Using the intelligent touch control panel and speed adjustment knob, you can produce different textures from soft snow-like ice to spaghetti-style strands or waterfall patterns. That flexibility is ideal for the shaved ice desserts, buffets, and specialty drinks. In the real world testing, the machine runs consistently even under the extended use. It doesn't overheat and it maintains the steady ice production. However, at full capacity, it does get noticeably loud. In a commercial setting, that won't matter much. In a quiet home kitchen, it might. So if you run a dessert shop, catering business, or host the large events regularly, the Snowflake Ice Machine is a serious performer and a solid investment. But if you just want shaved ice for the occasional parties, a smaller and more affordable model will likely be smarter choice. So again, if you want to check this product out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.